10:30, we got an alert from the official Greece government, which said to leave and evacuate from Pefki and from any other areas which might be close to the fires. It's like a scene of an apocalyptic movie, definitely, because there is no sky. The sun is red, has been red the entire day, so it's quite scary, and it's uneasy. It's making people uneasy, that's for sure.
In my condition, pregnant woman with small child, okay, I didn't feel safe at home, like in the horror movie. But now, this is not the movie, this is our real life, this is horror that we live for the last 1 week. And you doesn't know if this horror will stop tonight, or tomorrow, or in 5 days.